Once upon a time, in a small town named Harmonyville, lived a brave little dachshund named Doodles. Doodles was known for his long, sleek body and his fluffy coat that shone under the sun. One day, while Doodles was out for a walk, he heard a faint meow. Following the sound, he found a tiny, lost kitten, shivering and scared. Doodles felt a twinge of worry in his heart. "Don't be afraid, little one," Doodles said, trying to sound as friendly as he could. "I'm here to help you." The kitten looked up at Doodles, her eyes wide with fear. Doodles decided he had to help the lost kitten find her home. He led her back to Harmonyville, asking everyone he met if they had seen a missing kitten. People smiled at Doodles and the kitten, praised him for his kindness. As they walked, Doodles and the kitten became good friends. They chatted and played, their friendship growing stronger with each step. Doodles realized that helping the kitten was more than just a good deed, it was a new adventure. Finally, they reached a house where the kitten's meow was heard often. The family was overjoyed to see the kitten again, and the little girl hugged Doodles tightly, thanking him for his help. Doodles wagged his tail, feeling proud. He had helped a friend in need and made a new one along the way. As he walked back home, he felt happy and content, knowing he had made a difference. From that day on, Doodles was not just a brave little dachshund, he was a friend to all, ready to help whenever someone needed it. And as the sun set, Harmonyville was a little brighter, thanks to Doodles' kindness.